Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable to you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. I am going to ask you several questions. Imagine the answers to these questions like a movie in your mind. The first question I want you to imagine is, what would it be like to be caring? Imagine yourself doing something caring for someone else. What would it be like to be active? Imagine yourself doing something active that you really enjoy. Imagine the joy you feel and the look on your face as you do it. What would it be like to be thoughtful? Imagine yourself doing something kind for somebody without being asked. How could you be thoughtful at home? Imagine how you could be thoughtful at school. What would it be like to be successful? What is something that you could do that would make you feel really happy and proud? What is a challenge you would like to overcome? What would it be like to be inclusive? Imagine yourself going out of your way to make somebody feel included or accepted. What would it be like to be confident? How would you act if you were filled with kind and genuine confidence? How would you walk if you had all of this confidence? How would you speak with more confidence? What would you look like? Imagine now one thing you could do to improve yourself, to be an even better version of who you are now. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.